Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today in today's video I'm going to discuss some important news and then important Q4 results also, and along with that I will discuss Nifty 50 chart, analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and then we'll discuss the levels for next week. So to know the Nifty 50 level and important stock market update, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update all in one videos. So let's start the video. But first of all, let me share my condolence which happened in Pahalgam terrorist attack, and it's very hurtful, very sad what all happened, and my I'm praying for those families and for all those who has lost their life in this incident. And really, yes, this is going to affect our country, and we all want the retaliation in on this, and have taken important decision also, and the Sindhu river treaty answered, and all the important decision being taken by the Indian government against the Pakistan. And yet it should happen now. The time has come. We see if we see the effect, the impact of these all scenario on the Indian market. So yes, this is going to affect our Indian market also, and that we'll discuss in the chart later on. When I will discuss chart, the abhi ke liye, like, this is very sad, and this is very important news. And yes, we'll move on for further news, which is Q4 results, which came in last week. The important results from HUL, in the Southern Unilever and the Axis Bank. They have also posted their Q4 earnings, and the Reliance yesterday they have posted their Q4 earning. And yes, these are important company which has posted their earnings. Q4 earnings, in which HUL has not posted very good result. They have disappointed, and Axis Bank has posted good results, and of course Reliance also has posted good profit, net profit. You can see, I can discuss the Reliance results also. You can see they have posted good profit, and this is actually, you can see here, 14 no sorry 19,407 crore. They have posted the net profit. Q on Q, last quarter में it was 18,540 crore. So they have posted a good net profit. And yes, Y on Y it was 18,951 crore last year. So overall, they have beaten the estimate also, and they have posted good net profit, 19,407 crore. And yes, they have given the dividend also. The dividend is 5.5 rupees per share. This is the dividend from the Reliance Industries. And yes, you should go and check the results in detail, Q4 results in detail, and the management commentary also. You should check. You should go through in detail. And important things also, that Reliance Industry now has become the first Indian company to have net worth of more than 10 lakh, means more than 10 lakh crore. Over 10 lakh crore they have net worth now, which is India's which is this is first time in Indian company. So this is also a big achievement from the Reliance. Some important upcoming result also, they are like IGL. they are going to post their result. VBL, they are also going to post their Q4 result next week. This I am talking about next week only. Okay, the next week IGL, VBL, Varun Beverage, and India Mart. So is some important company also, they are going to post result in Q4 earnings in next week. So this was overall short short update of the Q4 result, which I can discuss in short. Now I'll quickly go to the chart and will show you what all happening since last week, and in detail. You should definitely go give your attention to these importance line I have drawn. I will show you, and understand what was happening. Terrorist attack happened on 22nd of April, and this day. Okay, so this day still it was okay. ये अपने दूसरे रीजन से it has taken a pause, little bit pause here, and this day. But this next day it has it actually came here, and it went down, and then again the buyer has taken it to this level, which was 24,350. 24,350 is now have has actually become a good resistance for Nifty 50. And you can see the this came here and then again taken, and even closed below that, closed below this 24,350 level. So this from here it has started taking the resistance and taking a pause, and it is not giving that much good sign as 1 2 3 even fourth day. तो वो दूसरा reason है, but yes, it has started taking a pause here. Not very, I will not say it was very means bad candle, but yes, हाँ, रेजिस्टेंस तो ले रहा था, जैसा कि लास्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 3 week it was taking a skyrocketing pace from here, since 21,700 to this level, 24,350. It was even more than 6 7% I guess, taken a back to back rally, and till here it did not stop. But yes, from here now it is taking pause. And this day also the news came of the uh, Pahalgam terrorist attack, and from here still it was okay. But this day, which is 25th of April, Friday, it was it fallen very drastically. Means you can see from here more than 1.5%, I think it was down. Nifty 50 was down on this day only, on Friday, because of critical situation between India Pakistan, and the critical scenario and all the things going on. And yes, market was has taken the U-turn from here, and this candle is not looking very giving any good sign. It is actually giving a negative sign only. And what we can see, I have drawn this line which is showing a good resistance for 24,350 for Nifty 50. And from here this range, you can see this range, which is very important. Nifty 50 is trading in this range in last week. So this line, you can see this line, which was earlier good resistance for the Nifty 50, which is 23,850 around है, but मैंने round figure लिया है 23,800. I'm taking round figure, and that is 23,800, which is looking very good support for the Nifty 50. But in this current scenario, current situation which is going on in our country, in India, uh, it anything may happen next week. So I don't know what will happen, but as a technical analysis, on the basis of technical analysis, if I say, I will definitely say this is the 23,800 will be a good support for the Nifty 50. Still Nifty 50 breaking this support, which you can see this trend line, this support, and which is 20 week EMA also, and this trend line support also. These both support is very very important and strong support. These both are supporting the Nifty 50 here, and this can be a good support, which is 23,000, I will say 400, 23,400 to we can say 300 also. ऐसा एक लेवल मान के चलो कि 23,000 300 to 400 will be a very very strong and good support. But current scenario and current situation, which is not showing a good sign, so we don't know what is going to happen next week or in coming days, coming week. So we can't predict what market is going to. According to technical analysis, I will say these two support will be very important for the next week. But yes, अगर market में कुछ बड़ा होता है, बड़ी news आती, anything is if happening, anything if happening, market even may break this support also, even may fall more than this. Means कुछ भी हो सकता है, anything can happen. So, still, I will give the important level which you should keep in your mind for the Nifty 50 support 23,400 after breaking 23,800, and yes, resistance is 24,350 only. I don't think next week the Nifty 50 is going to break this 24,350. Let's see. So this was overall short news about happening around, and short update of the Q4 result, and detailed analysis of the Nifty 50 and Nifty 50 levels. I will repeat the level again for the Nifty 50 support 23,400 and resistance 24,350, and like and share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update. And yes, please watch the video I'm posting tomorrow, next Saturday, Sunday, and you should definitely watch that video for the Nifty bank level for next week and important global scenario. Signing off.